Yeah, fam, this is Big Tone coming at you from Big Tone Productions, Beats and Feast. Hey guys, you know what day it is. It's Friday. I drop a new video every Friday. So, today we're going to do something very quick, fast, and easy, perfect for you busy people. We're going to do teriyaki chicken stir fry, guys. And if you like the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. Turn on your post notifications and share the video, guys. Share it to everybody. And let's get started with some teriyaki chicken stir fry. Alright guys, so as I always do, I'm going to start out with my supporting cast. So there's a lot of side ingredients to this, but the star of the show is the chicken. I got 3 chicken breasts there that's cut up on a bias. And then we got, over here we got 1 small or medium onion. We got 1 small zucchini, a little bit of broccoli florets, some mushrooms, just regular button mushrooms. And here I have my rainbow, as I call it, of orange, yellow, and red bell peppers. And then we have minced garlic, sesame seed oil, some ginger, some butter, and I'm gonna cheat today, guys. I'm using this Mandarin teriyaki sauce, which I just discovered Panda Express. Actually, I didn't just discover it, but it's the first time having it. And I got their teriyaki sauce, so I love it, so I'm gonna try this tonight instead of making my own. Feel free to make your own. But that's all the ingredients, guys, so let's get started putting this together. All right, so to get started, you gotta get a hot pan here. A nice hot pan. So I got my pan here, as you can see me adding some butter. So I'm gonna add about 1/4 stick of butter to the pan. We're gonna let that melt. And I'm also gonna add just a little bit of sesame seed oil. Just a tad. Just for a little smokiness. So we're gonna let this melt in here. All right, and to this we're gonna add my chicken that's cut up here. And I forgot, guys, I forgot my essentials here. This is just simply just salt and pepper I'm adding to your liking. A little bit of pepper and a little bit of salt. And you make that to your liking, guys. So once this will start cooking, we're going to add a little bit of dollop of ginger here to the mixture. And I'm going to add a nice heaping teaspoon of garlic, minced garlic, guys. Nice heaping teaspoon of minced garlic to this. Help season the chicken up, guys. And we're gonna mix this up in here real good. Now it's important when you do this recipe that you have all your ingredients cut up at the same time. You know, because this is a very fast cooking recipe. So you wanna make sure you got all your ingredients ready to go. As you can see, the chicken is really starting to cook pretty quick. I'm using chicken breasts, as I stated earlier, but if you're using chicken thighs, you can use like a vegetable oil or a olive oil or something like that. I'm using butter just because it helps keep the chicken breast a little bit moist as through the cooking process. But to this, we're just going to simply add the broccoli. And the reason why I'm adding the broccoli first is because it takes the longest to cook. So try to get it in there as fast as I can. All right, and after this, we're gonna add my onions. All right, then we're gonna go ahead and add my bell peppers. Now the zucchini and the mushrooms I'm gonna leave until a little bit later because they don't take as much time to cook. All right, so let's stir this up here in a little bit. Look at the colors, guys. Oh, it's beautiful. Look at the colors. All right, so we're gonna turn the heat down just a little bit. And to this, now we're gonna add some more pepper and some salt. Gotta season my vegetables up, guys. Add a little bit more ginger to it. There we go. And a tad bit more garlic. another heaping teaspoon. So in all, we're going to put 2 teaspoons of heaping garlic in here. Alright, we're going to mix this around in here real good. Make sure everything gets incorporated. Alright guys, so now I'm going to add to this my teriyaki sauce. Like I said earlier, I found this because I love the teriyaki sauce at Panda Express. And I just tried it recently, a couple weeks ago. So I'm going to add a little bit to that, and I like the way it tastes. So I'm going to cheat a little bit tonight. Oh, I wish you had smell-o-vision or smell-o-something. Smell-o-internet. Ah, it smells so good. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and add the mushrooms to this. And like I said, I'm just using button mushrooms. Mix these around in here. Oh my God, this is looking good, looking good. It's got that sheen on it that you get with the Asian food that your takeout or carry out. I'm gonna add just a little bit more of the teriyaki sauce. There we go. Just putting it in at different times here. Look at the colors on this, guys. Look at the color. I'm gonna put the cover on it and let it cook and steam here for a few minutes before I add my zucchini. That's been cooking just a little bit. I added a little bit more of the teriyaki sauce. Now I'm gonna add my zucchini. Zucchini doesn't take very long, and I don't want to overcook it. Last thing I'm going to add to this before I taste it is a little bit more sesame oil. It's lovely, guys. Alright, so I'm going to put the top back on here, let it cook in just about another 5, maybe 7 minutes. And from there, I'll show you a finished product, guys. Alright guys, there you go. Teriyaki chicken stir fry. Oh my God, it's good, guys. And I've got mine displayed with a bed of rice that you probably really can't see. You can see a little bit of it. But I've covered it over with the teriyaki chicken. Very quick, fast, and easy, guys. I got a couple egg rolls there that I've cooked up real quick. But hey, there you go. Quick, easy meal for the weeknight. Teriyaki chicken stir fry. This is a great meal, guys. This is an absolutely great, quick, fast, and easy meal. Matter of fact, I'm going to take a little bite of it here. Get a little rice in there and some vegetables. Remember, if you're using chicken breast, start it off in butter, guys. Oh, this is great, guys. If you like this video, like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. Turn on your post notifications and share the video, guys. It's Big Tone signing off. Peace.